In this video, I'll be showing you how to format SD card.
But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Now, this is the best way to fix if something's not being recognized or to clear some space. Now, just bear in mind that this will delete everything on the card, so back up your photos to Google Drive or a computer before you begin. Now, what you can go ahead and do is go over to the My Files application. So what we're going to do is go over to your Files app, and then once you're there, you're going to see your internal storage, but then you're going to see whatever thing you have connected as well, whether it's an SD card, flash drive, anything like that. What you want to do is press the three dots on the top right, and then what we want to do, we want to press the three dots once we're inside that storage device. So I'm inside it now, press the three dots, and then I'm going to see format as one of the options. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to say everything on this USB storage 1 will be erased. So then just go ahead and click format, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. And then, that could be useful if you're trying to make it your main internal storage device or anything like that. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.